Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit PDF file in laptop or PC in Windows 11. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you the easy way to do this one. First things first, I want you to head over here in Google and we're going to go ahead and open Google Drive. And from this point forward, go ahead and click New right here, click File Upload, and you're going to go ahead and locate that PDF file. Go ahead and upload that one here. And once that is uploaded, go ahead and click that one. And then there should be an option here. It says Open with Google Docs. I'm going to go ahead and click that over there. And there you go. So you can then go ahead and make some changes here. Say, for example, if I want to add a title here at the top, I can definitely do that one. So I'm going to go ahead and center align this one. And I'm going to go ahead and call this one wireless mode recommendations. Okay, there you go. So yeah, from this point forward, you can then go ahead and proceed however you want. Take note though that there are some differences that's going to be noticeable. For example, the use of emojis here. You should be able to see that this one is present here. However, this one is not. So yeah, that's something that you'll have to adjust depending on how complicated your PDF file. You might be able to do this one or you might be able to not. And again, that's how you're going to edit PDF file in laptop or PC in Windows 11.